Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zen JJ. Today we're gonna talk about some cryptocurrency news that is happening around the world, I would say. And after that, you can see as of right now, the price of crypto is dumping, and of course, you must be finding a reason like why is it dumping and stuff like this. So today I'm gonna bring you the news itself. So before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which you can join. And after that, from there, from time to time, I'm giving like free money out, basically like cryptocurrency. If I meet a milestone whatsoever, and after that, I'm also like giving out Excel Infinity Scholarship. If you guys are interested, just head over to my Discord description link down below. And of course, before we jump into the news about Evergrande, we are going to talk about the Bybit itself. Bybit, they are offering free cryptocurrency. Basically, one BIT token is around $1.50 as of the value I remembered. So over here, you can get up to 3,500 worth of that BIT token itself. It is as good as getting like $4,000 for free. And after you want to know more about it, the video is going to pop up above. Just click on it. Alright, so we are going to talk about the Evergrande news affecting crypto. So over here, we can see that Evergrande debt crisis. Basically, over here, if let's say you are watching the news on this Evergrande, the company itself, it is a China company based in China, and after that, from there, they are like in debts of 400 billion, if I'm not wrong. And after that, from there, we know that they are unable to pay off their debts. And after that, if let's say the China government do not want to bail them out, basically they are going to like get a default, and after they're going to liquidate all their assets. So what does it mean for cryptocurrency? So basically, this kind of news is big enough to affect the whole traditional market, and I believe that on cryptocurrency itself, it is also going to affect the crypto market, because to be honest, people who are invested in the traditional market itself, they have like maybe 50% or even 60% of their funds over there, maybe 10 to 20% of it in crypto, and of course they do not want to basically like lose money or whatsoever. Basically, they take their stop losses now, and of course we can see on the chart itself, during this month itself, the news came out. There was quite a lot of news, and after that, from there, we can see like the price of Bitcoin has been dipping all the way since 47. We managed to recover it all the way to 51, and after that, eventually we dip again, and after that, we dip all the way down again, and after that, we are now floating, staying afloat of 40,000. So of course, there is like a lot of news over there on this Evergrande. How does it affect? Is basically because, to be honest, if let's say one financial market is gonna crash, it's gonna affect crypto as well, because crypto, I would say, is very new and it's very tiny in the traditional market. And after that, from there, people's money are inside here, so people want to take profit to cover their losses over there and stuff like this. So yeah, this is how it works. So over here, we are going to jump into China ban crypto again, but on mining. So basically over here, we can see China turns the screws in cryptocurrency crackdown. So over here, we know that within this year itself, China banned crypto like quite a lot of times, and we're going to talk about how many times later, and after that, from there, the effect and stuff like this. So we're just going to bring you the news of this this crackdown and stuff like this. So over here, we can see on this website itself, it is telling us that right now, China cryptocurrency trading on China itself on Friday vowed to root out all the illegal activities. So they are saying that whatever cryptocurrency that you're using in China, it is illegal, and after that, from there, they're going to like totally ban it, basically from basically you cannot accept crypto, you cannot trade crypto, and of course all this kind of nonsense that they have already done. And of course, we have another news over here. China declares all cryptocurrency trade transaction illegal. So over here, they are trying to tell us that why are they doing this? Because I believe that, right, because they have really launched this not really decentralized, but then it is a yuan currency that is issued by the central bank. Therefore, they don't need to rely on cryptocurrency, and after that, I would say they don't need to rely on like paper currency. And of course, to be honest, who knows if let's say they announce this kind of news, because their influential power itself, it is quite powerful. They have a lot of influence power, and after that, because most of the equipment, mining equipment, is generated from China, and after that, most of the stuff that we own or we use is made in China. Therefore, I would say that this news itself is going to impact the cryptocurrency market a lot, because they are trying to tell us that they are going to ban cryptocurrency. Basically, you cannot transact cryptocurrency anymore. Therefore, it is, yeah, basically the price dip again over here. And after that, we are going to jump into how many times did China ban cryptocurrency already. So before we jump into that, I'd like to introduce you to How to Invest. Basically, it's a platform where I keep my cryptocurrency in, and after that, from that, it can generate passive income, and I can generate as high as 25% per annum using How to Invest. So if you're interested, kindly head over to there and using the link down below. And right now, we're going to jump into the chart that I've done. So over here, if we zoom out all the way over here, so these are the times that China banned cryptocurrency, and after that, I managed to find some news about it, and after what is it related to. And of course, this small cock itself is not really related to China, but of course, we can do a head count over here. One time during 2013 around the May period, and after that September 2017 another time, and after that over here we can see there's 3 times during this year itself China banned cryptocurrency for 3 times, and after that from there we can see every time China bans declare a ban on cryptocurrency, we tend to moon. I do not know why, because yeah, basically there's some conspiracy behind it, and after that from there I'm just gonna share my own personal opinion, not financial advice of course. So over here we can look at the first ban itself, 2013 itself, when Bitcoin, China bans banks from handling BTC trades. Basically they do not let people trade. If let's say the bank knows that you are going to use your funds to buy cryptocurrency, they're going to ban you. And after that from there, because of the Mocox news, and of course over here, if let's say we zoom into the chart itself, once the news happened itself, it is quite high. So over here, when they announce the news itself, definitely the price of crypto jump. And after that over here, we can also see during the time itself when crypto jump, Mocox itself, they also declare bankruptcy. And after that from there, we can see there is no uptrend over here. Maybe like after they banned Mocox getting like hacked, Mocox was hacked, and after that from there it was like declaring bankruptcy. And during that year itself, throughout the years itself, there was no movement on crypto, but of course eventually you can see Bitcoin still managed to rise up to more than $1,000. So during that time it was less than 1,000. So over here we can see during 2017 itself is when I got started into cryptocurrency itself. And after that I would say that I started during when I see Bitcoin, it was trading around $2,000, almost $3,000. So over here at this period itself, everything was fun. And after that, like during there was a lot of ICO. And after that, during that phase itself, there's a lot of scammers out there trying to scam people using the ICO, because basically people made like fuck tons of money over there. It's like they moon over there, ridiculous amount that they made. Basically they jump into the project, they made like, I don't know, 1,000x. And after that, a lot of people like have this idea to create their own ICO to, like, of course people malicious, they will try to scam people. Therefore you can see on September 2013, China banned out cryptocurrency, the ICO craze. That means they tell you that do not invest in the ICO and stuff like this. So yeah, I would say this is somehow like a right choice. And of course eventually you can see when they announce the news itself, we can zoom in the chart. So over here we can see once they announce the news, basically I'm using the 1 week, therefore it's green. So over here, after it's announced, there's a dip over here. During the dip itself, the next thing what happened, the price of Bitcoin just flew up all the way to 20,000. And after that over here, we can speculate over here at this reason itself what happened was basically they announced the ban, and maybe they bought some dip over here, and after that they just pumped the coin up again. And after that from there they announced another news to ban off if I'm not wrong, over here they announced another news to ban something, but I can't find the news. Basically it was something bad that's gonna happen. I think cryptocurrency was banned in China again during the late 2017 to the 2018 period itself. During this period itself, I remember there was one news that the Bitcoin bubble. Yeah, during that period itself, many people are calling Bitcoin like a bubble, and after that from there, like influencers during this period itself, we know that Messi, and after that from there Ronaldo, I do not know how many celebrities started buying Bitcoin, and after that from there the price eventually keep pumping. And over here I do not know what happened. Basically I think China announced something to like block off crypto or something, or ban crypto. Basically it dipped again, and after that we know that we are in the bear market for quite some time, and eventually we are right here now at this year itself. Let me see. So during May this year itself, China bans financial payment institute from cryptocurrency business. So this itself has affected the crypto market quite a lot. So here we can see during this, once they announced it itself, we have been dumping all the way, and after that eventually we still rise up. Over here we still made some gains after the news has been made, and after that they also suggested that they are going to ban crypto mining. And after that over here we can see the price itself, it is stagnant, and after that not much being affected during this period from May to June itself, just a dump. And after that from there we are like going sideways on the chart. So over here, this today itself, where's the text there, right? So over here, September itself, China bans crypto trading. So over here we are looking at a dip over here definitely. So yeah, just let me know your opinion about this China banning stuff. So from the past until now, the past data until today itself, I feel that China is banning crypto, and after that instead of banning itself, they are buying, because they already came up with their own digital dice, this called yuan thing. And after that from there I would say that, yeah, if let's say you course, if I'm not wrong, from China itself, they have been accumulating a lot of gold throughout the history of time over here. Like every time there's a financial crisis or what happened, they are secretly buying a lot of gold. So if let's say there's a hyperinflation in the world economy, and after that from that we went into a hyperinflation state, and after that from that our currency is like worthless. From there, what's gonna happen is basically the whole financial market is gonna pop, and after that from there it's gonna reset, and after that, yeah, basically if you know about like what is how the financial system work itself, how it works is basically they keep printing until they can't pay the debt, and eventually everything pop. They're gonna reset it to basically the gold standard, and after that from there, $1 equals to $1 worth of gold. So if let's say you own a lot of gold, you are the world superpower, like what United States did before during back in the days until now. And after that from there, we are somehow in like a hyperinflation state because of the pandemic and stuff like this. And after that from there, it is, yeah, China is basically trying to become the superpower. And of course, by owning gold itself is not enough, because everyone now is relying on like cryptocurrency, and after this is a new technology and it's fun, and of course it is valuable. Therefore, China also wants to basically own a lot of Bitcoin to basically be the superpower in both way. Basically in physical gold, your money, he can be the superpower, and after that in the digital world itself, they are also the superpower. So this is what they are trying to do. So this is just my opinion, not any financial advice. So over here during this period itself, you can see it dump. To be honest, will we go back up? I feel that yes, definitely. Every time they announce something, 70% of the chance itself, it will go back up. And after that, yeah, we can just see over here on 2017, it's a big example. Basically they announced a ban, and after that eventually Bitcoin just went from 5k all the way to 20k, so it's a 4 times. And after that, over here we can see they announced something, and eventually we still went back up. And after that, when we are up here again, I think, yeah, basically they're unhappy about it or something like that. I do not know what's their issue. They banned crypto trading somehow, and after that, it's going to affect the market quite a lot. So basically, I've come to the end of the video. So if you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification. And of course, before you close off this video, I'd like you to share your opinion to me on about this ban and stuff like this. And of course, I'd like to warn you about this airdrop scam that is ongoing in the cryptocurrency place. Basically, what happened is basically you receive like free cryptocurrency on your wallet that is based off like a smart contract platform like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. During then, you will feel like, oh, I received like $50 all the way to 40,000 worth of US dollar totally for free airdrops that happen. And after that, from there, you might think that you strike the lottery or you're lucky enough to receive some random airdrop. But of course, when you try to transact it itself, you are getting scammed into it, you're being lured to it. So if you want to know more how does the scam work, just head over to airdropscams.com, and after that from there you can have a read on the website that I've generated. And after that from there, if you want to keep your friends and family safe from this scam itself, do not be a victim of it, share it with them, and of course just click on the link down below on the description. So I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.